Mississauga, Brampton South.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My question is for the Minister of Health and Long-Term Care. We were to have a very special visitor with us in the House today. Unfortunately, he has been able to join us, but I would like to tell all of you a little bit about him. 11 years ago, at the age of 65, Murph Shepherd became the oldest lung transplant recipient in the history of Toronto General Hospital's program. Since then, he has been working tirelessly with waitlisted patients, recipients, and families to help them understand the transplant process. Murph's selfless work is an inspiration to me and others across this province. It also reminds us of the importance of organ donation. April is Be a Donor Month. The Trillium Gift of Life Network is working with its partners to encourage Ontarians to register to be organ and tissue donors. My question for the Minister is how we can best follow Murph's example and we each do our part to encourage more Ontarians to help save lives.
Thank you. Minister of Health, Long-Term Care.
Well, thank you, Speaker, and thank you to the very fine member from Mississauga, Brampton South for that question. And I want to join the member in thanking Murph Shepherd for all the work that he has done. I know that he's recently been recognized by the Trillium Gift of Life Network's Board of Directors for his tireless dedication to raising awareness about organ and tissue donation and transplantation, and I know all members in the House join me in congratulating him. Speaker, social media can be a very effective tool, particularly when it comes to reaching out to younger people, and that's why TGLN has been very active on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, to encourage more people to register their content to donate their organs. Today is Trillium Gift of Life Network's MPP Twitter Day. I want everyone in the House today to join me in tweeting their support of organ and tissue donation. Here's my tweet. It takes 2 minutes to save 8 lives. Register to be an organ donor now at beadonor.ca. Hashtag be a donor. Hashtag be a hero. Hashtag how can you not?
Thank you. Supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Minister, I know we can all do more as individuals to encourage more Ontarians to register online at beadonor.ca. Make a power of attorney so that someone they trust will ensure their wishes are followed. But government has a responsibility too, and I'm convinced that our government can play a positive role in getting more Ontarians to register as donors. I would like to ask the Minister, through you, Speaker, what our government is doing to increase organ and tissue donation rates and decrease waitlist times for patients awaiting life-saving transplants.
Thank you, Minister.
Speaker, organ and tissue donation is one of the greatest gifts any person can give. One person's donation can save up to 8 lives and help another 75 through tissue grafts. I'm proud to say that 2012-13 was a record year, 1,009 organ transplants in Ontario, 63% more than in 2003. And we've more than doubled the number of registered donors, Speaker. 2.8 million of us now are registered. But that's still less than 1 in 4 Ontarians. It's good progress, but it's not enough. The launch of beadonor.ca has made it easier than ever for Ontarians to become donors. TGLN's Gift of 8 campaign increased registered donors in communities right across Ontario. And we now ask people in all Service Ontario centres if they'd like to sign up for organ and tissue donation when they renew their driver's license or Ontario photo cards. Together, we'll continue to register more Ontarians to be organ and tissue donors.
Thank you.